in these gloomy days. कुछ शुद्ध विचार जो हम सोच सकते हैं कि आने वाले टाइम में हो सकते हैं. Remember, you think positive, read them here first. By June end, India will be the first country to be freed from the clutches of this pandemic. Our lockdown, hot weather and our higher immunity levels will see us through. We will be the largest exporters of medicine and the world will look to us for regular supply of BCG vaccines, anti-malarials, drugs, hydroxychloroquine, etc. Manufacturing facility will be set up in India in preference to China by corporations from all over the world. 100 USA and 200 Japanese companies are already leaving from China. India will become the hub for manufacture of every item from mobile phones to pharmaceuticals. The biggest and the best brand will realize that Indian people are the honest, hardworking, talented and reliable and were underrated so far. Unemployment level will go down. Our vegetarian cuisine will be appreciated more and more throughout the world. People will queue up before Indian consulates all over the world and visas for India will be issued after 3-week gaps after testing them. People will come here for the tourism, wellness and sunshine. Our medical facility will be appreciated for their easy availability, quickness and price efficiency. Ayurveda and naturopathy will also become very popular. Yoga and pranayam teachers will be in great demand. After all, the best remedy for fibrosis is exercising the lungs using specific asanas and pranayam. The best Indian brains who have migrated abroad will also be happy to return to their healthy and prosperous home country. Their salaries also will be affordable due to increased production and GDP. Our PM Modiji's dream of Make in India will soon be a reality. Tourists will flock not only from India but from all over the world and discover that the prettiest sights in the world are not in Paris or Switzerland. Indian temples and historic sites will be world famous. 2020 will be a turning point in the history of the world. From here, it will be the India all over the way into the future. Our next generation will be more prosperous. Indian will be most optimistic people in the world. We will see fabled Sonne ki Chidiya, golden bird again in India soon in next 3 years to come. भारत माता की जय. उत्तिष्ठ भारता.